DIYers, hey, what's going on? Mike Boards with the Mike Boards channel. Thank you for watching. We're talking Chrysler Pacificas, and hey, in the event that your center screen is glitching, locking, or freezing, we're going to show you a fuse inside the engine compartment fuse box that you can pull to do a system reset. Let's get started. DIYers, we've made our way outside. In front of us is our 2018 Chrysler Pacifica, and we're going to hop inside the vehicle, open up the hood to the engine compartment, gain access to the fuse box, and pull a fuse. Coming inside the driver's seat and down to open up the hood. No need to rush that or be aggressive with it. You don't want to damage that or break it. Make our way to the front of the vehicle. Hood is open. We've got access to the entire internal portion of the engine compartment, and coming to the driver's side, there's our fuse box. We are going to compress each side, pull up, and on the inner side is the entire diagram. I want to reference the hardware screws or bolt heads right there. And that is right there. So basically feed off of that, and we're going to come all the way to the number 20, and that is F76. So that is going to be right there. And taking note of the hardware right there, which is that one right there, and feeding up, we've got a 5, 20, and 30. And again, feeding up, we've got F75, F76, and C82. However, again, F76, Uconnect / center display / telematics. And what we'll do, position that back and carefully take a moment and find your little fuse pulling tool. As you see right here, compress it, pull it out, don't drop it. There it is right there. Coming over to the 20 and grabbing a hold of it, pinching it and pulling it out. Go slow, do your absolute best not to pull to a point where it flies out and gets lost inside the engine. That would be not good. There's the fuse coming up, and there it is. Just double check it's not blown and carefully clean the leads. If they're corroded or dirty, grab some rubbing alcohol and clean them. From here, check the overall condition of the internal leads where the fuse came out of, and if all looks good, I will carefully reinsert the fuse and put the tool back into its little slot until it clicks and locks in place, and going back to the 20 amp fuse and pushing all the way flush and double check everything. And from here, I will carefully resecure the cover as shown here. Hop inside the car, start the engine, and hopefully our entire Uconnect system just reset with pulling that fuse. We're inside the vehicle. I am going to start the engine. And as you see, 89,676 miles, and we're going to turn everything on. And accept. And the Uconnect right away is basically reset. And DIYers, from here, just double check all of your TV screens as well as this one. I'll turn it off and back on, and I'll go to radio. Taking a step back in DIYers, from here, just allow the system to reboot for about 5 minutes before you begin doing anything. Putting the car in reverse, going for a cruise, or again, throwing the DVDs in or streaming. Again, just give it a few minutes to fully reboot.